Hello. I love you. Oh my god. I'm so sweaty right now. I just took my cats outside to play. Gimana na? Nice. Wih. Gina berpati. Hello. Come. Okay, so today we are continuing the game. I have finished making the whole system for this. Well, not whole, but like a lot of new updates, I think. To get the AI and stuff. So now I'm gonna make the money. El money. Money data. It's so hot. Money make so that player can actually buy the stuff. It shouldn't be mono behavior. I forgot. Damn. Gosh darn it. I'm sorry. Wait. Have I posted this thing? I haven't. I haven't. Oh my gosh. Morning work. Hello. And CP. Maybe I should have taken a little bit more now. Maybe not. Who knows? Maybe yes, maybe no. Who knows? El money data. This okay, so public string, public and money. That's it. That's all the data I need. Thank you everyone for watching. And then we have the money handler. Yeah, pretty much that's it, no? Increase money, I guess. I guess we wanna do something when we do it. Is money int amount data dot money plus equal amount. This is more like change money. Oh yeah, and also put in an instance. For anything that is handler, we need instance. Well, not really, but you know. Handler, instance, not public. Oh, this is not public, this one's private. And static money handler. Instance get if instance equals null. Instance find object by type. Money handler sort none is return instance terang. Okay, now set the top. Shop item product. I think I'm gonna go with shop item first. There's some things gonna need a customer orders product, recovery duration, begin, recovery costs. Okay. And then there's the we go to product data, consumption cost, public in price. Ito ka na? Okay. Shop pro, public in price. I'm gonna need that later. Hello. Fogging. Live data sensitive. By the time you see the status already ordered. Older. No. Okay. Product data. Price. Customer. In customer, gonna have a so using multiple canvas is actually more performant? Huh. I didn't know that. I've been doing things wrong this whole time. What the hell? I've been doing things wrong this whole time. My god. Price to pay. Okay, so here we order ordering, consuming. Okay, so waiting, right? It waits while it's waiting. You take the product, blah blah blah, and then when it takes product, then product point is now data to pay, price to pay plus equal product dot price. Price data dot price. So and then data when it pays. It's paying indirect paying, process payment. But this should be public. Then we go to, oh no, this shouldn't be public, it is private. Okay, so after it pays, then when it ends, money handler dot instance change money, price to pay equals 0. Nice. Nani? Nanda ka? Sonna baka na? Apa sih? Okay, finish using the cover, blah blah blah, auto service and equals money handler if recover cost data recovery cost is more than 0, more like it's not 0, then money handler dot instant change money data recovery cost. Shabam, shaboom. Going back here. I'm going to the toilet. 入れてくわよ。Ethel nani? Ethel using Infinite Power on her kids. Infinite Power! Ah! Okay, so anyway, money handler. Let's make a money data over here. Okay. And then we put over here a money handler. Shabam, shabim, shaboo. Like so. Just like so. Now, in money handler, I'm going to give it a canvas. Right? Scale. Make the canvas scale. And then I'm going to give it a text. El Tekusu. El de la Tekusu. Like so. Say it's a 1000 length. And then let's make it 100 height. Put it up here. Looks good. Make it fitting. And then let's make it like $999,999. Make it the center. Now we got money. I'm going to grab a package. Hello, Puggy. Little recommending on us and the list of hours. Very two people are waiting. Let's go. Wait, 12 hours? How? It's not supposed to be in 12 hours. Hold up. Hold up. Did I mess up the time? I couldn't have, right? Okay, it's not. It's not in 12 hours. It's tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Almost gave me a heart attack there. I know I'm stupid, but I'm not that stupid. Hey! Jesus Christ, is basically screaming. Import this one. Really helpful. It's an automated UI anchor. So this menu window first corner like so, and then let's code some stuff in money handler. We're gonna be using TMP Pro. Here we have TMP text. Money text, no? Update UI. Public updated UI money text equals data equals dollar plus data.money.string. Every time we change the money, we update the UI. And then on the start, we also update the UI. So 12 hours plus 24. Math is hard. Okay. So now, if we go back to Unity, and then we assign the money. Yeah. Now if we go to product, we give food price. Let's say the price for the food is $10. And then we go to shop in the fridge. To recover food costs $5, let's say. Right? And now if we play, then we turn on the customer. Hey, why do I have $5? That's not right. Where did I get $5? Hello? $10? Hold up. That's not right. I guess it got cold. I said hello. でかするカモミールのチンコス。何？ Ethel and Ethel. Look, we both green. Hold up. It got cold, I guess. The price to pay. Recovery cost. Oh, it has to be minus. Oh, that's why. Why do I call recover at start? That's why. Free. Okay. Current message equals data.message. Just call init here. Change money. Minus data records. Okay, now it's it. Green is set on the color. Crazy diamond. Crazy diamond. Between Satano and Menjiro, which one strongest? Will there ever be civil war between the Satano and the Manjiros? Manjiro McClans. The Manjiro of the McClans. Okay. Extra points. It's not been assigned. What? Ish. Favorite level, extra points. Oh! Oh yeah. This should be one. Okay. Shabam shaboom! Shabam shaboom! Come on now. Right. It's fun. Okay. Okay. So now, 見てください。これは科学の魔法です。So we have zero, right? So first we have to take item from the fridge. This means the fridge is empty now. Then you have to cook. You have to cook. Okay. Then you can give the thing to the thing. To the customer. And then the customer will want you go to pay. When you process the payment, ka-ching, you get $10. Yatta! And now you have to clean up the place. Goro, 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 goro. Kasha, 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 kasha. Now for the fridge, because it's empty, you have to restock, right? Restocking the fridge will cost you $5. Wow! It works! Yatta ze! Sugoi! Sugoi wa? Yatta wa? Ara, ara, yada, yatta wa? Sugoi janai! Sugoi desho! Watashi sugoi desho! Sugoi tayu, sugoi tayo nde. Hamete, hamete. Katanoga jinx. There are only 3 G1 winners. Meijiro has triple tiara strongest player. Acha. 3 G1 winner is already great. Wong wong. Sugoi! Okay, now let's make the function to actually let the player buy the appliances. Also, a thing that can happen, right, is you can go minus. So for example, let's change that. For example, jangan. Jadi udah keluar kamu. Jadi kasih hati makin itu. You can take from the fridge, for example, and then if you like, for whatever reason you throw it away, and then you try to clean it, try to restock it, you go to minus. Yeah. So you can go to minus. It's fine because if you the thing with that, right? If you if you stay minus for too long, right? And then someone will come and like close the store for you. Like the bank will get to you. Cematkan ya. Apa? Eh? Jangan gitu dong. Hey! Gak boleh kayak gitu. Kamu yang salah. Malah kamu yang marah. Hah? Swear to God, having kids. 何歳だからね、はら。Potato hara. Welcome. Il potato. Etik this. Ada apa? What was that sound? Visualize. Ming. Take your cat's voice. No, I took the show handle instead of username. Yeah. Apparently it's to prevent impersonation. But it's a stupid solution. Okay. Anyway. Let's see. What else I do? Let's add that actually to the thing. Put money under here. And they gonna script there. Then update UI. Okay. Set it up. How do I make it so that player can buy things, right? どうかな? どうしようかな? Thinking this way. Using a UI is like the easiest way, the easiest solution, but like, is there really nothing more, I don't know, elegant, you know? Nothing more fun? Maybe for example, instead of just like have player browse some UI, wouldn't it be cool if like when you want to buy something, you are actually like teleported to this department store? So you can just grab whatever, right? And then put it in your thing. I don't know if that's a good idea or not though. It might get tedious over time because like it may or may not get tedious over time. Let players buy the Nani? No. Let's do that actually. Like, let's do that. That sounds wacky. This sounds very wacky and I like it. Okay, so first of all, first thing first, right? Basement mode. blah blah blah. Let's make a yeah, so what I want to do is make a department store, right? But it's not a whole other scene or anything. It's just there for the player to get to. So, for example, third-person camera, blah blah blah, environment, ground stuff. Let's group things up for now, so that it's actually nicer to navigate this thing. Insync, cashier, stock, coffee table, and then we go to handler. We go group for the handlers. What we're gonna do now is a shop and find one. Put it here, and then gonna make another one. Just gonna copy this one. Then we're gonna call this department store environment. Okay. Does it still have the same? Oh, it does. I have to break it again. Okay, so let's put this instead of -0.5. Let's put it at like -20 or something, right? So it's below the whole thing. Actually, it's gonna be -20. So like I guess -20.5. That way, if the player goes down there, the player is at like 20. Okay, nice. Department store environment. So now, in the shop items, I'm going to sync stuff. Make a new folder here. Call it data. And put all the things here. And then another one. Make it prefabs. Scripts. This way everything is more organized. Okay. Now here in the prefab, I'm going to put every single one of these into the prefab because the player, so that the player can actually go and buy them. Right? And thinking. どうかなこれ Drop it here, I guess. Prefer variant. Chipam! Nice. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna make a department store. Department. Yeah, I think this is like a more fun idea, a more fun way to shop for things for your store, you know. So instead of just opening some menu, you actually go to the store, pick up the item, right? So here's the thing, when you pick up the item, you're teleported back into your store at the exact location where you were. And then you can plop the item there, and then teleport back. If you teleport back to the store, you're teleported back to where you were exactly. So, like, now, you can just browse everything by the eye, right? You can just browse everything by the eye. And then, when the... you can just browse everything by the eye. And when the... whatchamacallit? If you ever want to, like, you know, buy some things while... So like there are two phases into the game, right? For every day of the game. There's the opening phase where the customer's not gonna be doing anything. Hiya! So you got this kid, huh? No. Stop it. Being back. So there's the opening phase before the customer starts coming in. This phase is infinite. So like you can like set up your shop, manage your workers and stuff, right? And then once you open the store, if you ever want to buy something new, then like it's gonna actually take some time. You have to navigate the store and just like, yeah, you have to actually navigate the store, go to the things that you want to buy, and then plop it there, right? So, good freaking luck. Okay. So we have department store environment. Over just over here. Let's say department store environment. Now here's the thing. Do I want the thingy? Do I want to actually use the prefab for it, or should I just set things up myself? Do kana? I think I should just set it all up myself. I think that's like better. It's like it's gonna be you know, it's gonna be different. They're gonna have different components. It's just that they have the same model. So over here, first of all, I'm going to make a script, right? Let's make it department handler. Kabam, kabloom. Oh yeah, and also I'm gonna need to add a function so that the player can, you know, can go to and back from the place. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna need an instance over here. Private static department handler instance na public static department handler instance get if in
class equals find object by type. Department handler. Sort is none. Return instance. Oh. Okay. Private game object. Department store. So like what I wanna do is like if the player isn't at the store, then the department store is inactive. That way the game doesn't need to like render it, right? And then we have the transform at starting point. Yeah, just say entry point. Right? Now, private vector 3 last player last boss. Vector 2 0. Private vector 3. Player quaternion. Player last rod. Vector 2 0. No, it's quaternion. Quaternion.identity. And then here we have private identity, department last boss, private quaternion, department last rock. Nice. Like so. Actually, no. Maybe we can just like save the position, right? Sarah, come. Sorry. Night, welcome. Okay. So now, let's make the input first. Let's make the input for the thing. What button should be nice? Space. Maybe Z. Yeah, why not Z? Let's make it Z. Yeah, go to player settings. Blah blah blah. Confirm cancel. Let's just duplicate this. Oh no, that's too much. Attack, jump, secondary button. And let's just duplicate this. Bam. Then we put it here. Call it department. The keyboard is Z. The joystick is gamepad, D-pad up, D-pad down probably. Yeah, why not? Let's go with that. Okay, so now back in the script. We're gonna using Unity engine dot input system, right? So then here we're gonna like input action, the department action equals now in init void init def action equals input system dot get actions dot find action called department, like so. At start we're gonna call the init function. Okay, and then let's say there's a delay, right? So private bool can teleport false, and then like private float teleport delay equals 0.2 seconds. Teleport delay private bool is at department store false. Like so. So now this can just like this at department. Private bool is at department. Get return department store active in hierarchy. So if the store is active, then it's the guy, the barm definitely is in there. Okay, so here department store set active false. We cannot turn it false at the start. Get input, right? Get department input. Void get department input. Okay, hey. So if not can teleport, then we just return. Other than that, if can I just like elif? No, it has to be else. Else if the action that was press this frame, right? And then we gonna call teleport. Teleport. Okay. Now in teleport, we're gonna make the can teleport becomes false. Teleport delay equals then there has to be a timer by default. Teleport timer. Teleport timer equals teleport delay. And then if not is at department, then that means we have to teleport our player over there. Okay. Selamat, hello, welcome. For that, let's go to player handler first and put a teleport function over here. Public void teleport. Ethel. Vector 3 plus. So here we're gonna make it so that transform the position equals position, and then third person camera dot force camera position to pause and transform the rotation. I think that's enough. So yeah, is at the part. If not at the department, then player handler. Hold on. Then the player boss last boss equals player handler dot instance dot transform the position, and then player handler dot instance teleport to here it is. So if that last pause equals vector 3 to 0, which is not ever possible, then we're gonna teleport the player to the entry point, like so. That position. And if it's not 0, then that means there was already a saved position, and that means player handler dot instance teleport to the department last position, like so. Else, if we are at the department, then we have to return the player go back. So now here the last pos equals player handler dot instance transform position. If no, not if. In here we just don't press the power button. Player handler dot instance dot teleport player last pos. There you go. So that's the whole teleport function, right? Apa sayang? Huh? Okay. And then here we count teleport timer. Private void count teleport timer. There you go. If teleport timer. Wow. 8万 subscribers. Welcome. Thank you. Meow, meow, meow. If teleport timer is more than 0, then that means actually no, we just need to make it tele timer time to the time. Okay. If the teleport timer is more than 0, then we gonna teleport timer minus 10 data time. Else, so it's already 0 or less, then we gonna make it so that can teleport equals true. So now we gonna need to make an update over here to get the department input and to count teleport timer. Let's count it first, right? Or actually, no, let's read the input first. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. Okay, nice desu. Meow. Arshimon, hello, meow. Alright, now we go back to the Unity. I'm going to make a department handler over here. Put it right there. Inside the department handler, we're gonna need an entry point, like so. Should I save the rotation and stuff after all? I wonder. Maybe I should actually. Why not? Yeah, maybe I should. So it's so that the player doesn't get like, you know, doesn't get confused. So private factory tree player last no not quaternion player last because you know it might get disorientating, you know. Double S rot equals quaternion dot identity, like so. Quaternion dot. This is rot. I think in that case, I'm gonna manually snap over here. Force camera, blah blah blah, transform position, transform rotation. I think here follow. Sinobita follow the mention the bit of follow the horizontal axis value equals. Oh, I need to check on something then. Where is it? There's stuff. person. So I'm thinking it's yeah, it is. Okay, so transform the rotation dot Euler angles. Actually, no, transform the Euler angles already. Yeah, Euler angles dot y. This is a motion orbital. Follow dot vertical axis. The value equals. The default is 0.17.5, I think. Because if it's 0, then like it's all the way down. Let me check. So yeah, the vertical axis is 70.5. I don't know why. Maybe because like not really. It doesn't change with the height or anything. Ah, the center. I can just do that. So orbital follow. Center, recentering, trigger recentering. Wait, cancel recentering. Ah. Thinking. Maybe instead of this, I should just like make it recenter by itself. Right? Recentering. Change value. Actually, yeah. Why not just do that? Where else have I did it? Position, rotation. Okay. So now, when we go here, in the thing, we have to save the rotation as well. Plus rotation equals pair handler dot instance transform rotation. This as well. Player that last dot equals pair handler dot instance transform rotation. So when we teleport entry point of position and 3 point dot rotation here, and then here to teleport that last dot. Here we teleport player last rotation, like so. Duckly do. Now we can try it. Ain't that exciting? Okay, going back to Unity now. Let's do this. Need to put this here, and then the department store is over there. Now, if we play the game, I need to try something first. Like if I interact with this, acha, the recentering isn't gonna work. Okay, never mind. Let's go back here. Gonna have to code something. So the horizontal axis, yeah, this has to be the thing after all. So like this, transform the position, rotation, transform the Euler angles dot y, and this is equals orbital follow dot vertical dot vertical dot center. So okay, let's try that again.
Trying it again. So if I click here while on the person, yeah, it goes into like. So now it doesn't get disorientating, I think. Okay. So now the moment of truth. When I press down, I should teleport to the thing. Why so? あれちょっと待ってね。Department store. So if the last position is 0, then entry point position, entry point position. Oh, the entry point is still 0, dumbass. Okay. This needs to be minus 20. There you go. Now it should work. Start again. So now, the department store environment should be off by default, right? It should be off by default. Okay. And if I press down, bam! It's not on! I forgot to turn it on! Guys, darn it! Okay, if it's not at the department, then department store.selective is at department. If it's currently false, then it's true. Okay. Now it probably works, hopefully. Okay. So, when we press down on the D-pad, bam! What? Nande? Hello? Nande? Huh? If it's not a department, if the department last position equals 0, right? Then teleport to entry point position, entry point rotation. The entry point position is NG so the entry point position right now, it's down there, right? So why not going down there? That's weird. It did go down there before this, right? Janandeanen. Hello? 何よおかしいんじゃんこれマジでおかしいよこれWhy doesn't it go to the thing? Why does it not go down? That's weird. But if I didn't turn the department on, then it just go down like normally. Huh? めちゃくちゃ変ですけどこれなんでだあれsee? Okay, so something is very weird with the thing. Why? Let's find out. Right? Let us find out together. So here's the ground. It has nothing. It just surface. It shouldn't do anything to it. It is ground. Okay, so so the thing activates, right? And then it should be that the player is teleported to the thing, okay? But then most likely the player got snapped back. Or something like that. Can the player fall down still? If it doesn't have the thing? From idling, it just gets intractable. From moving, it checks for the ground. If not grounded, then it falls. Teleport. Based on the position equals position. Pressing camera. Blah. マジおかしいなこれ。Okay. I'm gonna need to debug this. Transform position. And then pause. This shouldn't happen. Snap back to reality. おかしいよこんなに。いやー、マジで。こんなこと。いいな。そんなこといいな。あんな夢な。みんなIt's zero. Huh, interesting. So the debug says that it's teleported to 0. Okay. Debug teleport entry point position, entry point of rotation. The entry point is this here thing, right? There's no script on the entry point that says that it has to go back to 0.0, right? I see, Nana. If not, can teleport. Let's debug. Badly, hello. What game are you playing? Why is it I'll just text you? What am I? It's called Visual Studio. It's not Visual Basic anymore, huh? Okay. Bam. Aw. For whatever reason, it doesn't debug over there. Even though it's not at the... Oh my goodness fucking gracious! That's why! I am dumb as hell! Ah, okay.
activated the store before it, so now it reads that the player is at the store. Stupid! How did I miss that? That was so freaking easy. What the flippin' hell? Huh? Am I like, I don't know, dumb? It is dying in the background. What are you doing to it? I beamed it. Okay. Now it should work. Now it shall work. Mite kudasai. Bam. Hell yeah. Bam. Are? Oh, right. It's the turn direction. Transform position rotation. Turn direction equals the page. Turn direction equals. Are? Shit. Turn direction equals transform forward. There you go. Now we go back here. Tic-tac app gameplay. I haven't put any graphic into this. Stop complaining. And now, if we go here, bam. Nice. Okay. Damn it, the camera's axis doesn't get reset. Why? That is so stupid. Okay, I'm gonna need to reset the axis myself, I guess. Okay, that's not very nice. Alright, now that I know that we can actually teleport over there, all I need to do is to make it so that the teleportation feels nicer. Okay, let's see. First camera position. Let's just reset third person cam. Reset camera. There's the point. Reset cameras. Okay. Orbit. Follow the horizontal. The value. Damn it. The value equals 0. Oh no, not 0. Transform Euler angle dot y. Cinemation orbital follow. Dot vertical. Dot value equals orbital. Dot vertical. Dot target. No, not target. Is center. And then the hand tilt. The x-axis. Is it axis? Okay. The pen. The value equals transform Euler angles dot y. Cinemation pen tilt dot tilt. Axis. The value equals 0. There you go.
it's gonna work. Here, instead of like that, we just reset the goddamn cameras. And then in the snap as well. Tapos sinama siya ng follow. Hold on. No, I'm gonna need that. Third person camera. If first person, I can just like reset the cameras here, why not? Okay. Yeah, they're gonna work. That'll work, probably. Okay. So now, if we go back to the unit, I didn't show the code, did I? God darn it. Darn it! Okay. So now, if we go here, for example, let's test the cameras first, right? So I'm gonna take an item from here, and then if I cook here, bam. Okay. Why is it not immediate? That's weird. Right. That's why I know. Okay, so instead of it being this way, this we need to cinemas third person dot force camera position to transform the position and transform dot rotation. There you go. There you flip and go. That'll work. That will freaking work. I assure you, that will flip and work. If it doesn't work, you're gonna shit yourself. I'm gonna shit yourself. I'm going to shit yourself. Okay. Let's try this. Come on. Move! Hello? Okay. Huh? Why is it not moving? Hello? Why is my controller not doing anything? Oh, there you go. It was just a bug, I guess. Open this. So now when we do this, pop. Yeah, it snaps. Yeah. Let me throw this away. And when I do this, check. Nice. Check. Okay, so now when I go to the store, okay, this thing. Nice. Okay. How about the first person? Okay, that's nice. It's nicer. It doesn't like disorient you that much. The first person is better because like you can just see what's what, but like the third person is kind of weird because like you whatchamacallit, because there are difference in the thing, but it's fine. In the camera orbits and stuff, I think it's fine. I'll change. I'll fix it if anyone complain about it later. Okay, so here we have the entry, right? The department store. Oh my god, it's 9 actually. Holy crap! I didn't even deal. Oh yeah, I started 7:30. I need to go.
I need to get food and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna continue this off stream, guys. I didn't even realize it's already 9. Holy crap! Am I actually having fun with this? It's work. Why am I having fun with work? But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. This is Ethel Chamomile. Like and subscribe, become a member. And I'm gonna continue this offline. And yeah, hopefully like by the next time I stream again, we can probably already start actually making the models and stuff. Cause like honestly, so far it's been pretty nice. Yeah. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. Let's see the rank for today. The most powerful is Sora with only 17 power, just normal person. The weakest is Potato with minus 66 power. This guy is like having to go to hospital often now. The richest is Potato though with 85 gold. I guess he does have the money. And the poorest is Ethel with 37 gold in debt. Well, it's not that much. He just has like some. He just borrowed some money from friends. The most famous is Sora with 81 fame. People like you, Sora. The least liked people is Ethel with minus 5 fame. It's not that much of a dislike, you know. People are just, I still like pretty much indifferent, maybe a little bit miffed, but like nothing much. So yeah, wait. If you guys want to also be in this little game whenever you come to the stream, join a member. Thank you again for name the good and better pedes for supporting my Patreon dan terima kasih supporting my FANBOX. Dan senang sampai kami kabar demo podcast Mikael Maud Fortis Anas Taki semua mas Sam Justin Francis video sunset space aja dan taking makin ame guys dar pada hai Mamat Keski Cining Stangma Imati Mas Kawai Jeffrey Python Sazadi dan everyone's published the member. Thank you so much. Pada time pada semua take care. Assalamualaikum. The game is going nice, guys. It's going swell even. It's going wow. Going pretty funky. See y'all.